All right, so we're looking at our homework assignment with Khan Academy. So this is recursive formula. So remember, recursive is different than explicit. Explicit, remember, kind of like rocket launches us straight to the nth term. And recursive, as we'll see, it's kind of a little bit of a silly formula. All right, give me a moment. Let me draw out update from our notes from class. Give me 1 second. All right, so this is our notes for recursive formula. So we're familiar with A sub 1, meaning the very first term in our sequence. Again, Khan Academy is a little strange. I don't know why it can't do a subscript. I don't get it. But this is supposed to say C sub 1. And this is now C sub n equals C sub n minus 1. So those parentheses just mean subscripts. So our recursive formula is telling us in order to find the nth term, whatever term we're trying to find, the fourth term, the fifth term, who knows, whatever the term is, we need to know the previous term. We need to know what is the term right before it, so that way we can add our common difference. Again, when you're doing this on your own, it's not going to be this crazy. We're going through some backstory here, character backstory of what's going on with recursive formula. So we've got this sequence, 13, 6, -1, and -8, etc. And they're asking us for C sub 1, right? C sub 1, anytime we have a subscript of 1, it's literally first term of the sequence. What are they telling us? First term. Well, they're telling us the first term is going to be 13, and we'll plug that in at the end. So bam, 13. Now, writing out our recursive formula, if we want the nth term, we need the term right before plus blank. And we're checking back over here, plus that's going to be our common difference. So we need to know what the common difference is, right? Our sequence is 13, 6, -1, -8. I don't know about you, but I feel like it's easier seeing bunny hops, right? Because we're checking common difference, bunny hopping from number to number. I feel like this is a lot easier to recognize. It looks like we're subtracting 7, right? And then let's check. Okay, 6 minus 7, yep, -1. 13 minus 7, calculator, yep, would also work. So it's going to be -7. It's decreasing. It's getting smaller and smaller. All right, let's go ahead and plug those in and see if our answer is correct. 13, and that was, I can't change it to positive, so -7, -7. Okay, hooray! All right, so for the next ones, try on your own, have this up for reference, but we're just seeing, okay, first term, what are they giving us? And I know recursive formula is kind of silly because it's like, well, duh, if we wanted now, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, if we wanted the fifth term, A sub 5, basically they're saying we need the term right before it so that way we can subtract 7 to find it, right? It's kind of a silly formula. It's like, yeah, we could just keep bunny hopping to get to the next number, right? Anyhow, try the next one on your own. Have this up. Just pause this video here so you can kind of reference. And any questions, remember, email, text, let me know. All right, good luck. Bye, guys.